Okay, this video message is for any recruiter out there who is a perfectionist. I myself am a retired perfectionist, but like a lot of people who go into retirement, sometimes we come out for a day or two. So I really understand where you're at if you do have an inner perfectionist running the show, or perhaps you're just someone who gets really nervous at the idea of filming, of seeing yourself and hearing yourself on camera. I do understand that this can bring up a lot of nervousness and shyness for some people. So this is my hot tip for you, and I've got lots, but this is one, and it's a really practical one, and it's a question that I would love for you to recall and remember and save for future when you're filming. And that question is my video fit for purpose? Not, is my video perfect? Am I perfect? Did I get it right? This idea of right and wrong. Your audience, your candidates, your clients, your stakeholders, they will relate to you, they will remember you, they will feel connected and trusting of you if they know they're dealing with a real human being. If your ability to be authentic and real and not a perfectionist will translate so much more. So the question is my video fit for purpose? So walk a mile in your candidate's shoes. If you were a candidate watching your video, have you shared insights? Have you shared information and layers about this employer that I might end up working for, that I might end up leaving that last job for, or progress my career in? So if you can answer yes to that, then it is fit for purpose, and we don't need to go take after take after take. We don't need to make ourselves perfect. Our flaws, our imperfections, our mistakes, this is what makes us real. This is what makes us translate on video. And our candidates anyway, they're not looking at you to be perfect. They're looking at you to share information that is relevant to them and to their life so that they can move forward in the decision-making process or not. That's what they want. So remember, put your audience first, ask, is your video fit for purpose, and go gently.